Samsung Galaxy M10s, Galaxy A50s get Wi-Fi certification ahead of launch. After flooding the market with a wide variety of M series and A series smartphones over the past few months, Samsung has now started releasing S upgrades for these devices. The Korean giant just recently launched the Galaxy A10s in India, and now Galaxy M10s and Galaxy A50s have been spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance website. Samsung has started prepping more smartphone upgrades for its budget and mid-range lineups to thaw at the growing market shares of Redmi and Realme in India. As you can see in the screenshot below, Galaxy M10s was recently certified by the Wi-Fi Alliance. It has model number SM-M10s and it will have 2.4 Hz Wi-Fi 802.11 B per gram N and Wi-Fi Direct support. The Galaxy M10's listing further confirms an unusual feature, and that's the software. You will find this smartphone to be powered by Android 9 Pie out of the box, which is a given when Android Q arrives next month. This device is expected to be powered by the Exynos 7885 chipset and priced under 10,000 rupees like its predecessor. The second listing talks about an upgrade of the popular Galaxy A50 mid-ranger that we reviewed earlier this year. It was a promising smartphone from Samsung in this category, and well, now, the Galaxy A50s will launch soon enough in India. Carrying the model number SMA507FN, Galaxy A50s will pack support for Wi-Fi 802.11a B per gram N, AC, 5 GHz connectivity, and Wi-Fi Direct. This device will also run on Android Pie out of the box, but with the exception that it has OneUI skin on top as compared to the Experience UI skin on the Galaxy M10s. Leaks for the Galaxy A50s have found their way to the internet over the past few weeks, offering a look at the processing power under the hood. It is expected to be powered by the same Exynos 9610 chipset as its predecessor, with up to 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage onboard. The Full HD Plus display is expected to make a return as well, possibly in the new punch hole design. What are your expectations from the Galaxy M and A series refresh? What would you want Samsung to tweak this time around? Let us know in the comments down below.